Okay, so I guess we can call this Friday the 13th yoga. So I have the morning off and my daughter's at school, and I just know that a few minutes of yoga make a world of difference in my life. So I'm going to share a little flow with you. I hope you like it. Okay.
Come to mountain pose and bring the hands in prayer. Stand tall, close the eyes, and let's start focusing on the breath. With an inhale, slowly stretch the arms up overhead, and then exhale, float the arms forward and down. Nice and soft. Inhale, float the arms back up, stretch a little higher, and exhale, float the arms down. Again, inhale, sweep the arms up. Maybe the arms come up higher. And exhale, softly float the arms down. Now stand tall, close the eyes, take deep, audible breaths through the nose. And now we'll bend the knees. Inhale, circle the arms, come into chair pose. And exhale, circle the arms out and down and stand back in mountain. Again, inhale, bend the knees, chair pose. Exhale, float the arms out and down, mountain pose, come to standing. One more, inhale, chair pose, circle the arms. And exhale, mountain pose. Close the eyes, stand tall, hands come into prayer. Inhale, reach the arms up and a little bit back. And this time exhale, come into a forward fold, head hanging down. Inhale and lift the head a little, come up part way, bring the hands onto the shins. And exhale, ground the palms and step the right leg back. Left knee is right above the left ankle. Now inhale here, and then exhale, lower the back knee down, relax the toes. Inhale, reach the arms up, stretch the arms up, and exhale, bring the palms together, and then interlace the fingers, and then bring the hands to cup the back of the head. Inhale and open the chest, open the throat, and exhale, lower the hands down to the mat. Inhale, shift back a little as we straighten the leg, flex the foot, and then exhale, lengthen and fold, bow over the leg. Inhale and slide back into the lunge, bend your front knee. And exhale, float the back knee up. Inhale, step to plank. Exhale, lower the knees, chest and chin. Inhale into cobra, open the chest, shoulders down. And exhale, hips over the heels as we float into child's pose. And now inhale, round up to the hands and knees, tuck the toes, lower the belly, lift the head, and exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, stretch the right leg up, three-legged down dog. Exhale, draw the right knee in, bring the foot between the hands. Inhale and look forward, lunge. Exhale, lower the back knee down. Now inhale and stretch the arms up overhead as we rise. Exhale, palms together, interlace the fingers, hands cup the back of the head. Inhale, open the chest, stretch, and exhale, slowly lower the hands back to the ground. Inhale, shift back, straighten the front leg, and exhale, bow. Inhale, slide back into the lunge, shifting forward, bend the front knee. And exhale, fold forward. Come into a forward fold. Hold the backs of the legs. Knees are bent. Inhale, rise up. Circle the arms out and up. And exhale, bring the hands into prayer. Close the eyes and 3 deep breaths. Standing tall. Here we go again. Inhale and reach the arms up, stretch up and back. And exhale, swan dive, forward fold. Inhale, ripple the spine, bring the hands to the shins, lengthen. And exhale, fold again, ground the palms, step the left leg back. Inhale, feel the lunge, look forward. Exhale, lower the back knee down. Inhale, slowly rise, lift the arms up overhead. And exhale, palms together. Bring the hands to cup the back of the head. And inhale, feel that opening, stretch. And exhale, slowly lower the hands to the mat. Inhale, shift back and straighten that front leg. Exhale, lengthen and fold. Inhale, slide back into the lunge. Exhale, float the back knee up. Inhale, step to plank. And exhale, lower the knees, chest and chin to caterpillar. Inhale again into cobra, stretch, shoulders down. Exhale, child's pose. Inhale, slow motion rippling to the hands and knees, tuck the toes. Exhale, downward facing dog, work the heels down. Inhale, left leg comes up to the sky. Exhale, draw the knee in, foot between the hands. Inhale, feel the lunge. Exhale, lower the back knee down. Inhale, stretch the arms up overhead, reach. Exhale, bring the palms together, interlace the fingers. Inhale, open the chest, stretch. And then exhale, lower the hands down by the front foot onto the mat. Inhale, shift back, straighten the left leg, flex the foot. Exhale, bow down, enjoy the stretch. Inhale, slide back into the lunge, bend the front knee. And then exhale, step forward, forward fold. Inhale, root to rise, circle out and up. And exhale, bring the hands to heart center. Close the eyes, thumbs on the sternum. Feel a deep sense of peace and calm. And now we're going to spread the legs out, so open the feet as wide as the mat with the toes slightly turned out, heels in. Take a deep inhale, and on the exhale, we bend down into a yogic squat. So take this wherever is comfortable for your body. The heels may be down, or you may just be up on the toes and balls of the feet, but just kind of stretch and enjoy, move a little bit. And then we'll slowly come back to center, release the buttocks to the mat, knees to the chest. And now we're going to slowly lift up the feet and come into boat pose. And we'll hold boat just for a few breaths. And then slowly lower back down. Bring the hands behind us, fingers point away from the body. Take a deep inhale. Exhale. Let the knees just drift off to the left as the head turns to the right. Feel that stretch in the chest. And then slowly go the other direction. Knees right, head turns left, chest opens, we stretch. Come back to center. Fold the legs into easy pose. So sit with the legs crossed, one in front of the other. Tall spine. Close the eyes, focus on the breathing. Mind is very calm, and we feel very peaceful. With gratitude for this quick fix, this yoga flow, where we let everything go, we bow. Have a beautiful day, and I hope this practice helped you as much as it helped me.